Welcome to myacats.com, where learning is understanding. In this video, we will study about harmonic progression. Now, what is the definition of harmonic progression? A progression is said to be harmonic progression if the reciprocal of the terms is in arithmetic progression. For example, consider this case. Now the reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2, the reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5, the reciprocal of 1 by 8 is 8, the reciprocal of 1 by 11 is 11. Now I can see that these terms are in AP with common difference as 3. These terms are in AP, so this is in harmonic progression. For example, 1 by 3, 1 by 6, 1 by 9, 1 by 12. Now these sequence is in harmonic progression. This is because the reciprocal of these terms, that is 3, 6, 9, 12 is in AP. So what is this is saying is the progression formed by taking the reciprocal of the terms in the above series is 2, 5, 8 and 11. Clearly, these terms form an AP whose common difference is 3. Hence, the given progression is a harmonic progression. For example, let us suppose my AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and the nth term will be A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is in AP. So its reciprocal will be a harmonic progression, that is 1 upon A, 1 upon A plus D, 1 upon A plus 2D, 1 upon A plus 3D, and so on till 1 upon A plus n minus 1 D. So the nth term of harmonic progression is given by this, that is 1 upon A plus n minus 1 into D. Now just remember one thing, that we have the formula for the nth term, that is Tn is this, but we do not have any formula for the sum of n terms. For example, in AP my sum of n terms is n by 2 plus 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is in AP, but in harmonic progression I do not have a formula for sum. So this is harmonic progression. Let's solve this question. My question is, find the 10th term of harmonic progression. The first term is 3 by 2, then it is 1, then it is 3 by 4, then it is 3 by 5. So my harmonic progression is 3 by 2, 1, 3 by 4, 3 by 5 and so on. So if this is my harmonic progression, the reciprocals of the terms will be an AP. So my AP is 2 by 3, 1, 4 by 3, 5 by 3. Now my first term is 2 by 3 and my common difference is the difference between two successive terms, that is 1 minus 2 by 3, that is 1 by 3. Now my formula for nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. So I have to find the 10th term of the AP. So my 10th term of the AP is T10 is equals to A. A is 2 by 3. It's 9 into D. D is 1 by 3. So this is 3. So my 10th term is 3 is 9 plus 2, 11 by 3. So this is my 10th term of AP. So my 10th term of HP will be the reciprocal of this. So my 10th term of HP is 3 by 11. 3 by 11 is the answer. Let us understand the concept of harmonic mean. If 3 terms are in harmonic progression, then the middle term is the harmonic mean of the other 2 terms. For example, my two terms is A and B, and the middle term is X. Now this is HP. It means the reciprocal of these terms will be in AP. So my AP is 1 upon A upon 1 upon X upon 1 upon B. This is in AP. Now I know that in an AP, the middle term is the arithmetic mean of the other two terms. So it means 1 upon X is the arithmetic mean of 1 upon A plus 1 upon B divided by 2. So this is equals to 2 by X equals to 1 upon A plus 1 upon B. This is equals to A plus B upon A into B. So X is 2AB upon A plus B. So X is the harmonic mean of the other two terms. So the formula for harmonic mean is this. So if I have two terms A and B, the harmonic mean is 2AB divided by A plus B. For example, in this case, I have to find the harmonic mean of 1 by 7 and 1 by 12. So my harmonic mean is X equals to 2 into AB, 1 by 7 into 1 by 12, divided by A plus B, 1 by 7 plus 1 by 12. So this is equals to 2 divided by 7 multiplied by 12. Here it would be 7 multiplied by 12 and 19. This will cancel out. So answer will be 2 by 19. Now we will see how we can find out harmonic mean of n numbers. For example, my numbers are A1, A2, A3 and so on till AN. So the harmonic mean is n, that is the number of numbers I have. So here I have n numbers, so n upon 1 upon A1 upon 1 upon A2 upon 1 upon A3 plus till 1 upon AN. This is the formula for harmonic mean. For example, the harmonic mean of three numbers is A, B and C. So the harmonic mean X of A, B, C is 3 upon 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C. So this is the concept of harmonic mean. In this video, we will understand the concept of inserting n harmonic means between two numbers. For example, if two numbers are given A and B, and I have to insert n harmonic means between these two numbers. So let us suppose these numbers are x1, x2, x3 and so on till xn. So this means these are n terms, this is one term, this is one term. So total I have n plus 2 terms. Now if this is a harmonic progression, then its reciprocal will be a AP. So my AP is 1 upon A, 1 upon x1, 1 upon x2, 1 upon x3 and so on till 1 upon xn and then 1 upon B. Now there are total n plus 2 terms in this AP. Now I know the formula of my nth term of an AP, that is Tn is equals to first term plus n minus 1 into common difference D. So my Tn plus 2 is my first term. Now I will put n plus 2 for n. So it will become n plus 1 into D. Now Tn plus 2 term is 1 by B and the first term is 1 by A. So this is n plus 1 into D. So from this equation I can find D, that is the common difference. It is equals to 1 upon B minus 1 upon A and this divided by 1 upon n plus 1. So this way I have calculated the common difference D. Now in an AP I know my first term, I also know the common difference D, so I could find out all possible terms of the AP, and from this I can find the corresponding term of HP. For example, by 1 upon x1, that is, this term is 1 upon A plus the common difference D. From this I can find out the value of x1. That is my first mean. Similarly, I can also find out the value of 1 upon x2, that is 1 upon A plus 2D. From this I can find out the value of x2, that is my second harmonic mean. Similarly, I can find out the value of 1 upon xn, that is equals to 1 upon A plus ND. From this I can find out the value of xn, that is my nth harmonic mean. Now let's understand this concept through an example. My question is, insert 3 harmonic means between 1 by 12 and 1 by 20. Now see, my first term of the harmonic mean is 1 by 12 and my last term is 1 by 20. Now I have to put 3 harmonic means between these two numbers. Let those harmonic means be x1, x2 and x3. Now there are total 5 terms in this harmonic progression. Now the reciprocal of these terms is NAP. So my AP is 12, 1 upon x1, 1 upon x2 plus 1 upon x3 upon 20. This is an AP. Now my T fifth term is the first term, that is 12 into 5 minus 1, that is 4 into D. Now T5 is 20. This is 12. This is 4 into D. Now my D is 20 minus 12 divided by 4, that is equals to 2. So means my first number of an AP is 12. The second number is 14. The next number is 16. After that it is 18. After that it is 20. So 1 upon x1 is 14. So it means my x1 is 1 upon 14. Similarly, my x2 is 1 upon 16 and my x3 is 1 upon 18. So 1 upon 14, 1 upon 16 and 1 upon 18 is the answer of this question. If you have understood it, then please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.